How to edit your highlights on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your highlights on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, you go to your highlights which you want to edit and click more, and now you will see edit highlights. Click on it, and now as you see you can manage your highlights editing. And after you edit your highlights, just click done and it will be done. And that's how to edit your highlights on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.